Well, in the face of rampant inflation, Americans are facing difficulties when it comes to affording renovations of their current homes or even when considering buying a new home. Discover Home Loans VP and CMO Rob Cook is on hand to provide us his insights on the topic of inflation and how Americans can leverage home loans to renovate their homes and afford new homes. Rob, welcome to ISF.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, as you know, inflation is rampant. Of course, in our country, it's inescapable, and people are wanting to get a piece of that American pie, own a home, and live that life that we've all been sold growing up. Can you tell me about your background and your work with Discover Home Loans?
Sure. I lead marketing and customer experience for Discover Home Loans. We are the nation's leading provider of home equity loans, and our mission is to help homeowners achieve their goals through financing options that allow them to consolidate their debts, as well as financing for home renovations.
Making that dream a reality. Well, let's get back to inflation because it's impacting Americans, as I said earlier. How is it impacting their ability to renovate and even purchase new homes?
Yeah, absolutely. Actually, that's questions we had ourselves. So we actually commissioned a study of about 1,500 Americans that asked them that very question. How has today's economy impacted their decisions around home renovations and buying new homes? And what we found is with inflation, that's really impacting people's decision-making around sort of home renovations. In fact, about 59% have decided to delay their projects, and about 25% have reduced the size and scope of their renovation projects.
Wow. Rising interest rates are also something that we're dealing with as well. I mean, 3 years ago, you had, 3 to 4%. Now we're looking at 7 and above. How does that impact the ability of Americans to renovate and purchase their homes?
Yeah, absolutely. You're right on point. Certainly it's changed the decision-making people have around sort of whether this is the right time to buy a new home, because the mortgage they would get on a new home is going to be about 50% higher on a monthly payment standpoint versus their existing mortgage, right? So what we're seeing in our survey is about 42% of people that were in the market for a new home are no longer in the market for a new home. They decided to hold and wait and take a wait and see approach. And about 21% are in the market still, but are just not as committed as they were before.
Yeah, it makes sense. You mentioned a wait and see approach. When do you think the tide will shift or people will be more interested or eager to purchase versus holding off and saying, let me just hold on to what I have and the money I have and revisit this maybe a year, 2 years later?
Yeah, so it'll be interesting to see how this plays out, but generally people are more biased towards home renovation versus buying a new home. Actually, 80% of people would prefer to renovate their existing home than to buy a new home. And I think in terms of the interest rate market, I think people got, frankly, a little bit spoiled in terms of having like interest rates as low as they were. There was kind of like a once in a lifetime event where you had rates as low as 3% and lower. People should not plan on that. Rates just magically returning back to those levels. So I think what you'll see is that people will adjust to this new normal. And historically, the rates we're seeing today are pretty much around historical averages for a 30-year mortgage.
Wonderful, Rob. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.